I am so excited about this outdoor patio umbrella, so I had to show it off and give a full review, show all of its really cool features, and hopefully this video helps. First of all, I just have a basic base here that just tightened around the pole itself. The pole has a little end cap on it, so it can really be universal as far as whatever base you use. The pole is nice and strong, of course, very heavy duty here, and has a nice coat finish on it. And then it has the easy to work up and down here. And then to put it back up, you'll hear that noise and it'll expand out until each panel is fully stretched. Right up here, it actually has the ability to be angled, so we can definitely target whichever direction the sun is coming from for a little extra protection. And it can turn to either side by just pressing this, and then it can be bent on this hinge here. There you go. And it clicks right into place when it is set. So it comes with a tool and pin to lock it into place, of course. And then all of this is nice and sturdy. You can see it's all finished with that same metal as the pole here. So I definitely feel like this is a high quality umbrella. It's gonna last us a while, which I love because it absolutely adds that perfect amount of shade and beauty all in one to our space. Also has the straps up top here, so when you do drop it down, if there's a storm coming or if you're just not using it for the season, you can definitely secure it around the umbrella. I definitely feel like they put high quality materials into making this umbrella. It is so nice and such a great budget friendly option. It truly is such an impressive piece. I absolutely love this umbrella. I'm so excited for the summer seasons to hit so we can enjoy it and really enjoy our space to its full potential.